All right, so the market has gone up 100 points, right? Price right now 66. How do you go? How do you go long once we've already had a uptrend of 100 points? How do you do that? You know how do you do that? You'll see, because we know that the odds are that the price is going to continue going up, and it's going all the way to 75. Price right now is 65. 65, 75. That's 10 more points that we're going to be on the lookout, right? However, we all know that the market never goes anywhere in a straight line. So is there going to be a recoil? Is there going to be some sort of a pullback that is going to take us to a strong support so that we can take the bounce? Let's see. Or is this going to be a breakout? We are on top of it. All right. So by the way, ladies and gentlemen, this 75 is a predetermined pivot. It's a short, okay? So we're gonna be watching the price get there, and we'll be just stalking it to short it. Let's go ahead and find us some support now. Well, let's start from the beginning, right? So the overall market direction, by the way, is sideways. The entire dimensions, all the dimensions are sideways as well. Now, we do have the future intention of the smart money is to take it up. All righty? So we're going to see if it changed. We have some bullish pressure also, but we are totally on a downwards tide right now. So the overall market direction is sideways. So I'm expecting a lip up and down 50, 70, 20 point, 50, 70, 70, 50, right? So that's the channel, and we're gonna be looking for the micro channels and the canals so that we can go ahead and make a decision as to whether we're gonna take a breakout, we're gonna take a barricade, what are we gonna take? A break of such and such is gonna continue where, all right? It's an all-time high. Price has gone up overnight 110 points. How do you go long here? However, don't hurry to go short either. Okay? All righty. Time right now 9:13. We have 70 minutes to open, and we'll take it. We're watching every single tick so that we're there when the opportunity shows up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we're gonna be on a micro channel right here. These are the new parameters. 56. Of course, everybody knows that. Even the teenagers on YouTube and all those fake gurus out there, they even know that that's a double bottom, right? So it's not gonna be easy to take. However, taking it, it's only gonna go to 52, so it's gonna go only 4 points. The one that is gonna tell us really when the bears are in complete control is a clean break of 52. Clean break of 52, price is going to continue going down all the way to 42. 10 points. 42 is a predetermined pivot support. So we know that we're going to go long here, just like 75 is a predetermined pivot resistance. We know we're going to go short there, and we're going to go long and short all in between also, because remember, we trade tops, bottoms, and everything in between. Okay, so we are in consolidation, and every time as time passes, we are narrowing the consolidation. Our job is to find out whether we are in a distribution, or is this consolidation is it a distribution, or is it a accumulation, right? That's what we need to know. So we're gonna start paying attention to 63.59. Okay, 63 right here, 63, boom, and 50 and 59. Okay, here 59. See how the consolidation it's it's on its way. All right, we know exactly what's going to happen to the upside. We know exactly what's going to happen to the downside. We all know that time right now is 9:24, so there is 6 minutes to open. We all know that the open can drop this thing all the way in just one single bang, all the way to 42 or 75. Right? Okay. Alrighty then. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we know that a break of 59, the price is going to go to 56. Do we not? Remember what I told you. It is not 56, the support that is going to have the bears take control. It is 52, so 56 right here, it's support, right? Oh my God, look at the bounce, 56 all the way to almost 60. Oh my God, 4 points, CAPI, and back. That's right. This is the fight that we're going to see here happening. Alrighty? Okay. Okay. So this break of 59, I told you, we're going to have a lip. 56 is going to stop it. The bears stood temporary control right now. So the main play, of course, break of 59. The main play is short, of course. It broke. It's a breakout. That we knew 56 was going to stop it. We're going to play here a little bit, but we know that we are on our way to 50 to 52. In my humble opinion, it's going to stop it. It's going to bounce again, and we're going to have a bigger bounce here, 52. Hey, Capi, why don't we make 52 target 1 then, right? Well, not yet, because to the downside, we're going to ride it from here, from 59 all the way to 42. It's not going to be an easy ride, but that's our intention. The main play, sure, right? Okay, all righty. So let's see how the price behaves here at 52, and of course, bears are going to be tempted to everybody that went short 59, like we knew 25 minutes ago. That we knew we were going to do. 59, market has gone so much. Everybody's going to be thinking about locking 52, 59. That's 7 points. That's not too shabby, but we're here to milk the market. So we're going to continue let it ride as long as our 63 is not taken. So stop, break even, right? And we're going to trail it, 52. We're expecting the price to take 52. It's not going to be easy. We all know that already. It's not a counter trend. However, not that it's not going to work, the bounce of 52, 50, 52, right? Not that it's not going to work, but we are on a mission to 42 from 59. That's pretty good, right? Stop, break even, let it ride. Remember, this is a pullback in a real uptrend that later on I am expecting the price to go to 72. Whether it goes to 72, 75, whether it goes or not, it doesn't matter. Right now we are on a short breakout 59 that we're gonna ride all the way to 42. If it doesn't go, we know that this is gonna be a beautiful action that we're gonna have here, and we're gonna deal with it. That's 52 quarter mistake.
Yes.
Okay, pretty good. I like to see one of those teenagers on YouTube, all those fake gurus selling trading education, calling this short. Oh my God. Is that 52 quarter mistake? Are you sure?
It is positive.
So I missed it by 1 tick then?
Oh, you didn't
Okay.
realize it.
All righty then. All right, so we're not up 7 points, ladies and gentlemen. We're only up 6 points and 75 cents. Any reason to get all out? What did I say? We all gonna be tempted to take 7 points out here. I know that. But ladies and gentlemen, of course, we know, I'm gonna say it again, that it is the breaking of 52, the one that is going to give us comfort to ride it 10 more points down. So we are on this total lookout of 52 being a bounce, right? In other words, being the support that the uptrend is looking for to ride this baby all the way to 75. It could easily be 52. We are stop, break even, start trailing, and the momentum right now is in favor of the bears. As long as we are below 56, right? We're comfortable. That's all there is to it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So that break of 52, that's not gonna be easy. Remember that 52 is support. It's not gonna be easy. I'm gonna say it again. This 52 right here, I know that we all want to take 7 points. And of course, you know that we get out 3 times. 1 unit here. Hey, Capi, you know what? I'm going to take my 7 points, man. And I'll take a chance and I'll take the counter trend long because I really want to ride this baby from 52 to 75. So as long as 52 is not taken, I'm going to take advantage of this bounce right here, 52. Take a counter trend long, counter main play, because our main play is that short. This long right here, 52, right? It's a counter trend long that we know it's going to take a while, but we know that the odds are that it's going to continue to 75. So 52, 62, 72, 75. How many points is that? For this long right here, 52, that's 23 points. And of course, if the price breaks 63, the high of our consolidation, then we are comfortable that this counter trend long 52 is going to eventually be the main play when it invalidates the current short 59. So a breaking of 59, the main play is still going. Don't you think for one second that it's going to go to 75 in a straight line? We still have 53, 66, and 68 as minor resistances. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so our job, right, is to figure out, oh my God, look at this beautiful bounce, man. Long 52. Our job is, what are the odds that indeed, because remember, we are all about the future. We trade what we think. We couldn't care less of what we see. What we see, everybody can see it. And that's what 99.9% of all traders are losers, right? So we trade what we think. Our job is, all right, so what do we think the price is going to do? Is it going to invalidate the main play short right here? Right? And continue going all the way to 75? Or is it going to find resistance? It's going to recall, test the low right here, break it eventually, and go to 42. Well, the odds says that no, that's not. The bulls, this little bounce right here that we knew was going to happen, right, at 52, this bounce here is strong enough to give us the odds that the next move, this is a continuation. This bounce right here, 52 to 59. Remember, we have to take 56 first. We took it. We have to take 59 next. We will take it. It's not like if. The odds says that we will take it. 100%. Can I guarantee that it's going to take it 100% mistake 59?
Of course not.
Of course not, but the odds says that it is. So in our mind, we have a bullish sentiment right now, and we know that this 52 long is on its way to 75. Is it going to happen in a straight line, mistake?
Most likely not.
All right, but we know better, right? So we just like we were here, and we still are, by the way, in trade management, we are in trade management right here as well. All right, so let's go. Thanks, guys. Thank you, Vinci. Thank you, John. PMI, ladies and gentlemen, 945. Needless to say, to watch, all right? 945, we have the PMI, and at 10 a.m., ladies and gentlemen, we have the existing homes. Boo-hoo! We are existing home sales, ladies and gentlemen, at 10. PMI is backing us up, mistake. right?
That's right.
Look at that. So in other words, invalidation of the short of that play long, we nicely took 59, 63. What do you think is going to happen right here at 68, 66? Exactly what's happening right now. However, where are we going, Mystique? 70 what?
75.
Okay, thank you much. All right. So I'm going to say it again. All right. It is not the taking of 63 what is going to completely invalidate the short. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So watch out. It is the taking of 68. Taking of 68, we know it's going to 75. We know that the odds are that everything that we are forecasting, which is what day trading is all about, you need to call the future. What is the price going to do, right? Otherwise, we don't have an edge. So, but again, not only we need to know where the price is going, we need to know how the hell it's going to get there. Otherwise, we wouldn't have an edge. All right. Is that a nice break of 68? So how many points are we looking to make on this trade? And remember, ladies and gentlemen, that we have a set amount of units. 3 units. Target 1, target 2, target 3. 75 is target 1. So we will lock 75. I know, again, that you're going to be tempted to lock some 20 points, right, before it goes to 75. And I'm kind of okay, providing that the market has gone up already 110 points, right? So,
You're killing it, CAPI.
well, I think you're biased, Mystique.
I am not biased. Well, I am, but it doesn't matter.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, 72 quarter. Couple more points for our target 1. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, it's a predetermined pivot. So we have we have the odds saying that there's gonna be a good chance to short it, right? Okay. The reason it's target 1 is because it's not gonna. It is a strong enough resistance that it'll be wise to lock in. Now, look at the way this beautiful 23 points that we're gonna make, 22. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that this is 75, isn't it? So we just made 23, 24 points. Okay, now are we going to automatically, we're going to pulse it out. We're going to pulse it out the counter trend, ladies and gentlemen. 76, we're going to take advantage of the momentum to make 23, 24, 25, 26, I don't know, as many points as the market wants to give us on this break. We know that beginning 75 is where we know that resistance begins. Okay, so we just made 25 points. Let's keep on going. Let's see what's target 2. This is the leg 1. Now let's go ahead and analyze the entire action to see what leg 2 is going to be. For leg 2, of course, there need to be a pullback, which is the reason why we are considering shorting right here, 26, on a smaller position, 26. Oh my God, copy 77, right? Yeah, that's right. What do you think? This high right here, 77, that's the price is going to dance around it. It's going to confuse everybody. Look at it. Green, 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 green. There's no reason at all for 2 things. Number 1, to be all out. What the hell are we going to be out? If you are all in, all out type of trader, you just make 25 points. So I can understand that you wanted to be all out here. But that's not our strategy. We're going to ride it 3 targets. This is only target 1. So what are we going to do in the meantime? Short it 75, 76, like I told you half an hour ago, as a counter trend. We just took a shot 76 that I told you to do 45 minutes ago, and look at the pullback. Is this 72? Oh, mistake. I believe it is. So where are we at now? We are on a long shot, waiting for the price to come back at 77, take it, and go to target 2, which I don't have yet. It's okay. because in the meantime, we are short 76, taking advantage of this pullback in an uptrend, that this pullback can easily turn out to be another change of hat and make this pullback a new downtrend. So if that happens, which that we don't know, then we just nailed the top. So in other words, we nailed the bottom for this 25 points, and we just nailed the top. Well, we don't know if it's the top yet, but that's what it looks like. Is this 69 from 76? That's another 7 points on the counter trend. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is how the cookie crumbles. I like to see one of those, all of those teenagers on YouTube and Twitter and Instagram and all that stuff. I love to see them read the market like this as it's happening in live in front of a studio audience. They don't do it. You know why they don't do it? Because they have no clue how to do it. All they know how to do is double top and double bottom. That's it. That's the only strategy that they know. They don't know anything else. I kid you not. Bunch of bastards, man. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 68, pretty good, right? For the counter trend, that's terrific. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Brad. Ladies and gentlemen, 1 minute, existing home sales. We know I'm right now on the making the calculations as to what target 2 is going to be. I don't have it yet. It's okay because we are on trade management. Remember, right? Okay, direction, entry, stop, target, position size, trade management, account management, right? Okay, so we're in trade management right now. The short term, the trap, the trick of the smart money to go short, right? To bring the price down at the open, just to destroy, just to fudge the amateurs and all the fake gurus on YouTube, which, by the way, they all make a lot more money than all of us put together, right? With their selling, their trading education.
Yeah, and living in their parents' basement.
No, these guys make more money than all of us put together. They have 1,400,000, 1,000,002 subscribers. Hello, you know how much money these people make with YouTube and selling their crap for $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. They're crappy. They're just, for some reason, these people are desperate to teach you the system that makes them millionaires, Lamborghinis, mansions, all that stuff. They're just desperate to sell it to you, to give it out to the world. What makes them so much money?
That's right.
Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are on our way to 82. However, 82 is not target 2. It's a by way of 82. But please, come on, with this uptrend, it's 120 points already, right? So there's going to be a lot of smaller resistances on its way to target 2. So why am I telling you 82? Because remember, not only we need to know where the price is going, but how it's going to get there. And I don't have target 2 yet, but I know that on its way to target 2, 82, on its way to target 2, 82 is going to temporarily stop it. So, oh my God, CAPI, so 82, are we going to counter trend it short because it's resistance, right? Well, let's see, okay? All right, let's see. Okay, remember that this 77 is still the high of our counter trend resistance. That's not going to be taken easily, right? All right, so those traders that say, hey, you know what, CAPI, I'm going to manage the counter trend short 76, 77, and I'm going to continue managing it, all right? So, yeah, because the 23, 4, 25 points that we already made on the move up, I'm all out. and I'm just managing the counter trend short. I'm managing it, okay? I can understand if you want to do that, but you're taking a chance that that you're gonna miss the continuation to target 2. But because there is no guarantee that we're gonna go to 82, 92, or 100, right? Okay, right, 5100, right? That's what I'm looking at. I want to know if the smart money wants to take the price today all the way to 5100, which we all know is a psychological level as well, which even the clowns on YouTube with fake trading education garbage, even they know. Okay, so let's watch it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's no longer a by wave 2. However, target 2 now is it's a range 82, 86. So the mid range is 80 what? 2, 6, 4 points, 2, 82, 84, right? So target 2 is a range now. The low of the range 82, the high of the range 86, the mid range 84. That's easy. Okay. Here I go again with the word easy. It's extremely important that we are conscious of it. The counter trend short has not been invalidated. Okay, which is pretty standard, right? This is exactly the way the market does from our systems, levels of support and resistance, and everything, all our chart pattern formations, our uptrends, our triangles, our canals, our channels, all the market mood, the attitude, the temper of the market, right? The tide. We need to know what all of that stuff is. It's doing at all times. So full on concentration, 100% full focus. Okay. Main objective is that you focus 100%. Now, thank you very much. You just made $4,000, right? $4,000 the first trade, and what? $3,000 the other one. That's terrific, right? Thank you for sharing it, Nas. But remember, focus 100%. We're not a chat room. We're not a trading chat room. I despise trading chat rooms where there is a whole bunch of amateurs giving opinions, the blind leading the blinds. No. This is a professional trading room in which I am the only one that calls the trades, that reads the market, period. That's it. No more. I call it, I read it, you listen to it, and you are the trader, by the way. I'm not a big shot, nothing. I'm a humble guy that has been just reading the market for going 40 years now. That's it, no Lamborghini, no mansions, no yachts, no jets. Oh my God, it pisses me off when I see all these clowns on YouTube with Lamborghinis and jets and all that stuff, taking advantage of the amateurs. That's sickening. It pisses me off, But it is what it is. The world is full of that crap. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, that the bears are trapped. So we still have odds telling us that the price is going to go to target 282. All right, we know that they're trapped, and that's why one of the reasons day trading is so difficult. Amateurs, the novice, they have no idea when the smart money, Goldman, whoever it is that is moving this market, really want to trap them, or and who's going to be stronger in terms of winning the battle. This is a battle right here. These 10 points that we just made on this counter trend, right? That's $5,000. And the 23 points that we make on the way up, that's 11 based on 10 contracts. On one contract, it's 1,500 and 500 right here. And what time it is? It's 10:25. All right, one contract. If you cannot do 5, 7, 10 contracts, you should do the micros. You don't. A trader that cannot do 10 ES, you shouldn't be trading it. You don't belong here. I know that some of you are trading the micros, but that's terrific, Sean. Oh, come on, look at it. You know, you're up a couple of grand already trading the micros, all right? So, hey, listen, just because you're here, all of you, and I tell you exactly what the market is going to do, and we are right 90% of the time. And this room is open nothing, 7 years only, but I've been doing it for 40 years now. It takes years, years. Nobody's gonna come here and it's going to make a killing, even though I tell all of you exactly what the market is gonna do. It still takes time. So hang in there, do your micros, pass your evaluation and all of that stuff, which is perfectly fine. Trade other people's money, and then grow gradually. That's all there is to it. Believe me. Alrighty? Okay. So let's continue. That's what I'm here for. Not only to tell you the system, but to tell you exactly like the kids call the psychology. That's nothing but, one of these days I'm going to write a book on psychology of trading. It's going to be about 2 pages long, basically. All right? We all know that it's just discipline, period. And, of course, you have to have courage. You have to believe. But if you see it happen over and over and over, you see that this is what we do every single day, Monday through Friday, from 9 to 12. For the past, in this room, this course, 6 years, I was already 10 years on my other room. Hello, come on. Right. But it takes time, so hang in there and just do what I tell you, period. I'll just take it, which is completely, totally different than adding to a loser. Right? We know 77 is resistance. We know it. That's why we took a short counter trend short, right? That's the counter trend by definition against our system's main play, which is long to 75, right? We already made 23 points, but we won 82 next, which is 28 points. That will be like 7 more points. So 23 points for target 1, and then and then 5 more points for target 2. The low of target 2. Remember that the high of target 2 is 86. My point is this: those who know, like we do, that beginning target 1 resistance begins, and they are all good scalps. They're counting that this move up to 79, 2 points, 79.5, 2 points, 3 points above 77. It's a squeeze, and they know it, right? So do we. Okay, all righty then. So in other words, they're not gonna let the smart money squeeze them off their shore. For us, it's a counter trend. For them, it's the main play. They are expecting to catch the top. They just have no clue what the odds says as to what the top really is. They might be right today. It doesn't matter. We already made 23 points. And look at this, 80, 23, 24, 25, 27 points. And we are still managing. Time right now, 10:44. And as long as we are completely and totally conscious, and we are in complete control, which is the name of the game, is control. We need to know exactly what the market is doing, how it's doing it, where it's going, how it's going to get there. That, my friend, is control. I don't mean that we control the market. You know that. We are in control because we know everything, what the odds are the market is going to do, and that's the only way that we can manage our positions. We have this long and we have this short right here. Look at this beautiful thing. Price, look at it, took 75. What do you think? All the people that want to go short this area right here of resistance, like the kids on YouTube call it an area of supply. I don't know, they just learned that word. And now they say it's, so that they can have some, fancy words to convince the poor innocent victims that they know what they're doing. Yeah, sure, they know what they're doing. So they use all these fancy words. Hey, look, they don't call it points, by the way, like I do. They call it handles. They probably saw a big timer say handle, and now they say handles are well. And then, oh, this is an area of inefficiency. So we have to be careful with the displacement of the order flow. They just learn order flow, so they say hello. They have no idea what order flow means. So they hear me say, "Hey, listen, this is some manipulation here," and then they say, "Well, we have to be careful with the mitigation." All right, this is a block that they call it blocks. The areas of the parameter. And then, just let's take a look at the framework so that we know exactly where the fair value is. All words that I have no clue what they mean, but they say it to con the poor, innocent victims, the beginners, that if they're drowning and you throw them a life vest, they don't take it because they don't know they're drowning. Those are the people, the traders, that these con bastards on YouTube and YouTube, because all of them, none of them dare to trade live, real time, every day. You know what they do? I'm going to tell you what they do. They record their trading and they go sure when it works, that's the one they post. Because they want to make you believe that they trade live, right? But they only post the ones that went good. The ones that didn't go good, they don't post it. They don't know. So that's their trick, as if we don't know it. You gotta trade every day, live, in front of a studio audience, every single day, Monday to Friday, from 9 to 12, like we do here, to show consistency. You cannot tell your victims, look at my video today. I nail it. I make 100 puts and I make $1 million today. I'm gonna buy 2 Lamborghinis today. That's the day that it works. The day that it doesn't work, they don't post it. You have to do it every day to show consistency, because even a broken clock is right twice a day, isn't it? So you gotta trade every day in front of a studio audience and post your trades every day so that people can see if you are the real thing or not. Nobody does that. We are the only ones. All right, so the reason I'm telling you this is because there is a lot of predators out there, jiving a lot of innocent victims, and they believe all the garbage that they sell. It's pathetic. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so let me repeat that, because, right, we know here, 80, we know first, I told you, support is right here, 69, right, 68, 69, everybody can see that. So listen to this. So I'm going to repeat it again. Why is so important to know what the smart money trick under their sleeve? Well, because that's the only way that we can better manage our position, right? So we know that the main play is this long right here, right? That we just made 23 points. We won 28. We haven't got it yet. And the reason we haven't got it yet is because of what I just told you. There is a hidden down move. I'm not going to call it substantial, but there is. And I'm just waiting for it to be over. It's not over yet. So why is that important? Because then, if we know that there's going to be a substantial kind of pullback, then we don't hesitate in counter-trending short. Today, short would be a counter-trend, right? Because remember, the original short was invalidated. So, right? Okay. So we don't hesitate in counter-trending short. The counter-trend short that we have, we give it a little leeway. Why? Because we know there's gonna be a good pullback, right? All right. Okay, so that's extremely important. We are the only people in the world that knows that, because this is totally the future. Nobody knows that. So what do we need to do next? Well, I'm going to tell you exactly when that hidden move is over. And I tell you right now that the test of this 68 right here is not. It's just about, but not yet. Okay, very important. And that's why, so a clean break of 66, that's going to be a pain in the butt because it's really difficult to know where it's going to continue going, right? So, and that's why this counter trend short target one is right here, 66, 68. That's target one. So all of these traders that are going short right here, just like we are too, counter trend, we're not getting out of our main play. All right, we're still on our way to 82, 86, and I don't have target two. Remember, we get out 3 times. That's it. I don't have runners like all the kids on YouTube. You know, when they nail the trend like a broken clock is right twice a week, then they start getting out. Runners. Oh, take some runners here. Take some runners here. Here, take some runners here. How many runners do you have, man? I mean, you know, now that the trade that you call, right? Because they don't call it. They say, hey, if you believe the price is going to break this, then this is where it's going. But they don't tell you what are the odds that, yes, that's what's going to happen. A break, okay? This is exactly where it's. They don't tell you that because they don't have the coconuts to tell you that because they don't know. They're all pathetic little liars. So when they can manipulate their bogus entry, and then the price, you know, goes with them, then they start getting out so many runners. It gets you dizzy. I'm telling you because I see all the YouTube garbage that they post. I'm telling you, every day there is a new teenager. You know that. Every day there is a new teenager, a master trader. Teenagers, 20-something, 30-something, and believe me, there are some old-timers that they have been getting away with this garbage for a long time. They're not teenagers anymore. It's just that for some reason, all of a sudden, for the last couple of years, there's a new teenager. Every single day, master trading selling their garbage for $2,000, $5,000. Some of them even charge you $7,000 and $10,000. I kid you not. Anyway, so I just want you to know what they do so that we all can mock them and laugh at them. So what do we do now that we know that, right? Well, tighten your leash for the long and be a little bit more leeway to the short, you know? So terrific, right? So our support is holding. That's exactly what we wanted, so that we can ride this baby all the way to 82 and 86, right? Target 2. Okay, terrific. It held. Good. However, listen to me. Remember that hidden down move that I told you 10 minutes ago? It's not over. It's almost over, but it's not over yet. Okay? It's okay. We'll continue managing the positions. All right? Okay. Let me repeat that, right? That's the only bearish sign that I have, all right? So that's pretty good. That means that our main play long, yes, it'll take a while because we all know the market's not going to go to target 2 and target 3, even less on a straight line. That's why we counter trend, so that we can take advantage of the entire zigzagging of the market, right? I mean, if we know that it's going to be a while before the market finally goes to 82, 86, and we know that this area right here is resistance, why not short it with a smaller position, with the micros? Why not, right? Which is exactly what we're doing, all right? So this low right here, pretty good, right? This is exactly what we want so that we can ride it all the way to 82 and 86. However, the bearish move that I'm telling you, it's already gone down a good 20%, right, of today's range, which is 27 points, right? That's pretty good, all right? So we have to be on the lookout for it, okay? Full concentration, complete and total control, complete control. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so look at this, right? So these 12 points from this last high, our counter trend, all the way to the low here of this canal, that's 44% retracement of the entire range today. Would you say that 44 is pretty substantial, right? Remember, yesterday we got 50% and change. Today, 44. Because a hidden move is not as strong as a phantom move, which is different. This one is different than the one that we had yesterday. Boom. This is, we all know that this is a swing high. We've known it way before it bounced and went back up. We've known it. And so it didn't take it, right? So, but we had to be really cautious because had the price taken it, which are not the odds, we still want to go to our target 2, right? Right here. Okay, target 2 right here. Okay, we're not touching our second unit until it gives us 82, 86, or we get a nasty drop and then the price takes our trail. It's the only way that we're gonna get out because we believe in our system and we have to be courageous and we have to go with it. Period. Because remember, we need to know at all times exactly the structure and exactly what is it that is going to happen. Not only where the price is going, but how it's going to get there. And I just told you, we're going to be lipping this canal right here. Right? 80, 66. Look at this. 80, 66, 66, 80. It couldn't take it. We know, right? So we have to make a future forecast. Okay, so what are the odds? What do we go more with? With the main play. What do you think you're gonna go with more? With the main play all the way to 82. So yeah, CAPI, but you just said that that equal forces this 66, 80. I know. It's gonna be a while. Price is not gonna go anywhere ever on a straight line, and we just go with the main play. And remember, this is only target 2 until I tell you that there is a change in direction. We're gonna write it to target 3. It's just that I don't have it yet because even they don't have it yet. All right. So as soon as they have it, I'll have it, and as soon as I have it, I'll give it to you. So I'm gonna say that again. All right. So lip, equal forces. This canal, but the main play give us right an indication that at least we're gonna hit the low of our target 2. Okay. As long as we stop break even, right, and continue managing and trailing, and the price doesn't take our trail, and that's why we knew how strong 66, 67, 68 was gonna be, then we are still long, and we are expecting at least a test of 82, 86, and ladies and gentlemen, this is just target 2, okay? I'm looking everywhere. It's early. I know that we want to make in one morning what most people make in 1 month, right? That's what we do here every day. So as long as we believe that the price is going to continue going up and we have a target 3, we're going to ride it. That's why we trade 3 units. No runners here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got a ride all the way to 81.5. The low of our range of target 2 is 82. So, oh my God, we missed it by 2 ticks. Oh, you know that it's okay to get out 1 point above, 1 point below, right there if you want to, right? So officially the low of our target 2 hit. Now, what time it is right now? It's almost 12 noon. All right, so we all know exactly what's going on. All right. So we just made 28 points on target 2 on 10 contracts. That's 14 grand, right? Okay. If you are all in all out and you got out at target 1, that's $11,500. All right. And remember the target 3 that I gave you. As long as our supports are not taken, we're riding this baby all the way to target 3. Okay. Is it gonna take all day? Who cares? I don't have anything else to do. So, alrighty. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we are at 28 points. This is the low of target 2. The high is 86. What time it is right now? It's noon. It's 12:15. So it's gonna be a while. I don't have anything else to do. However, we do have target 3 now, right here. 104 by way of 97. This is very important. All right, so not only we need to know where the price is going, so we are after 45 and 51 points today. Let's see. I have all day. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so that's our 82 officially hit. And remember, this is the low of our 4-point range. 86 is still target 2, but it's the high of our range. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so the high of our target 2, 86, we got a couple of points bonus right there, giving us 17,000. Hey, what the hell is this? 348 points, I wish. Now, it's 34 points, 17 grand, and we are on our way to target 3. Okay, let's do it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like we are on our way to our by way of 97, and then of course it's gonna take a while, and let's ride this baby all the way to 104. Remember, 5100 is a psychological level. Even the clowns on YouTube, all the teenagers and all those kids, everybody knows that 5100 it's a psychological level. However, our system says that there is a good chance that it continue going all the way to 104. However, I understand that if we get out at 5199, then we're making 45 points, and that's pretty good, right? It's gonna be some good 20 grand today, isn't it? All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we did really good, did we not? Okay, right on. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so target 3 achieved completely, and a little bit of a bonus. Let it ride, and let's go ahead and do our tactic in terms of our unit 3, right? The different ammunition that we have on unit 3 to go to last target, and I am all over the place to see exactly where it's gonna be. All right, so hang in there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so this was a pretty good jump, right? Off of our target 3. Look at that, almost 08, right? 4A, 4-point bonus. You all know that target 3 is an automatic counter trend, right? So we take advantage of this green, first red, boom! We short this baby right here, and look at the pullback. All right, I love to see. Anyway, never mind. So, all right. So unit 3, guys, handle it the best you can. That's all there is to it for today. Good. So long.